Now that you have the knowledge of how government functions, you can apply what you have learned in a meaningful way. You will be developing a current events portfolio that focuses on local, provincial, national, and international events. In order to be an effective and active citizen, you need to be aware of important local, provincial, national, and international events. This activity will help you become more aware of a broad range of issues, their impact, and how you can make a difference. When trying to evaluate an event, it is vital that you consult multiple sources to fully understand what has truly transpired. The current events portfolio will help you reach this goal. Here is a basic overview of what will make up your current events portfolio. First, you will be investigating an event by finding two sources, a primary source and a secondary source. Next, you will find 3 articles that cover local, provincial, and national events. Your final task is to evaluate a political cartoon and determine its message. Task number 1, primary versus secondary source analysis. In this activity, you will first choose an event. This event can be local, provincial, national, or international. Choose something that is of interest to you. Next, you will find a primary source and a secondary source from the event and analyze both to better understand what has transpired. Detailed instructions are provided on the assignment sheet. Basically, for task number 1, you will choose an event. Find both a primary and secondary source to help you better understand the event, and then complete the primary and secondary resource analysis sheet. It is very important to understand the difference between a primary and a secondary source. A primary source is from the actual event, like a diary written during World War II. A secondary source is from after the event. For example, a YouTube video clip that provides commentary on an event from World War II is considered a secondary source. To better understand the difference between the two, watch the video clip above on YouTube. If you're having challenges accessing the clip, simply search the suggested title on YouTube. Take a moment to read the grading rubric for task number 1. Be sure to fully understand how you will be evaluated. Task number 2, Article Analysis Activity. In this activity, you will be analyzing 3 articles. One focused on a local issue, the second on a provincial issue, and the third on a national issue. You're required to find these 3 articles. Choose something that you are passionate about. For each article, you will complete an article analysis sheet. Basically, for task number 2, you will choose 3 articles from a newspaper or online source. One will be local, another will be provincial, and a third will be national. Complete an article analysis sheet for each article, so you'll complete 3 in total. Take a moment and closely read how you'll be evaluated for task number 2. Task number 3, Political Cartoon Analysis. Political cartoons appear every day in the editorial sections of newspapers as well as online. They help communicate a perspective on an issue, often in a comical way. You will find a recent political cartoon and complete the Political Cartoon Analysis template. Detailed instructions on how to start are provided on the assignment sheet. Basically, for task number 3, you will find a current political cartoon. These can be found in the editorial section of your newspaper or online. You will evaluate the political cartoon and then complete the Political Cartoon Analysis sheet. Closely review how you will be evaluated on the political cartoon activity.